Section 17 of the National Commission Act is emphasizing on the issue of consultation and cooperation between National Commission and the government. Marimunara konyora under the national government na under the county government. Lakini the county government nere bwata mange. Alia kabera under the defunct local authorities. Ichi arenga county council na town councils. Na ere sirwe a county government in consultation with national government, but at the go just stadium. Dear Saniga. Issue yenga itenga na is a time ya kamita reporting at the Nairobi into a little to a site visit to get reporting at Nairobi. And this is now the second time, like it's a continuous process. Amale mo issue injiro to buate kero te ko nyoro mo for public purpose. And then again to get to want to come and public interest always prevails over private interest. Amale mogalia murocha lisa again to what secondary, to what primary, police in mali. All of those are public institutions. And the Gerenda Cartua Hosori to Asara Kukilia Subuagada. Issue network comparison acquisition. Here under section 107 of the Land Act. As a national commission, a chinguru, ya comparison acquisition. I have already later sometimes comparison now what you call a servant to Kidogo. One angle, squishing and go to public participation. Taringa a togo and a chinguru as a national commission. Kinende, Otogokwa. So that you want to omberande, Waruama, I have already no my thing avanto, no Yambu Garia, a carry sugar token onka. Quanto most by one a bank and our antirane, Vacan Banjara is also their democratic right. Trojan, a Kineda dog and majority. I have already taken to get to go to Subuagare, a faida, a project, just as a community. So, comparison acquisition, a process in error. Not to a county government, which identify a malimo, can identify a malimo, public participation. After that, documents, Kushia Malimona documented, relevant documents, Shima, which plan, just Yato, Yatok. I got a chia tokira, then by Karasa said the county government, but what the minister. Karabai Karasine, they deliberate, and then they come up with a resolution. A resolution, I am going to move to the chairman, National Commission. Now they go to Mugo Terase, CC. Land, Housing and Fiscal Planning. Project in the county government. It should pass through. Every capital zone should pass through the CC Land, Housing and Fiscal Planning. Because now the Neta Madam. No, amangana compensation into as a national commission into Talibanya project. Project in a Sarakari. Eiterabe entity around the national government, Sarakari and Nana, Usa Sarakari. As it has national commission to your report with the relevant documents, no go initiate a process ya or work where Marimaya, Guasavanta. You won't get to Mara, Papi was in the area to get into one of the watch, as over or initiate the process. The evaluation and the conversation evaluation, I told her to go see one. And you go here, it's a man you go in a legacy because into what our own independent department run the evaluation. Our Savana voucher site, work one and nine. Now I don't know what the right you quote. If I old mobile, maybe after consultation. Like in Nende, into a integrate to a degree, and Java final. I know what they write. Otagas in our and a vaca, you go into what the tripino, a vocal and a vaca, high court, go attack. But then the Urania difference here and seen Junior will soon wear. To what the Ching of Regasia. So, a issue in the Nera, Punabono, the Gamba example, a paranere, a conga, a pirate, a conga mawawa, a Michabera mawawa, a conga, a pirate, not the Grum Ranimanet. Elia, combat Sarah wishes into a correct. Marimugetanara affected Yamato on living to Gasali. Conversation in Biambatevi. Terigu affect Terigo Tenenia, a project Yasakari. A parelli aratacare, within 20 years. Like in conversation, no one to make a row Konga. togente wakana na international commission taringe to wachi besa Kenya National Highways Authority na yako tachibe ekari chia bela available because already to call for ocean to wakana. So regarding issues that we was energy to kaita kero saliwaria kurusuo for the purpose ye project ye public project ole mulinga tembo manyete uli bwa kaberanda the county council bono higa the successor to the county council ningo county government of Nyamira. So ole muliko rokora maana ya serikali at least it's public la uno kwa serikali buna bono ali konge chizuka nchi yake tunse lakini na kachia kunetu amale makaro ngento kimale mona bora nyangu wate proti yao ule mubuka serikali tegwa kana ule mubuka serikali no se tegwa ndao tata bego no wa serikali tegwa ta ngebe compensated ule mu abuwe isako boigo abantu bakanda kotini mundu yo korete process ina ba international commission na utogwetu gute na the relevant government. So again to yoka serikali ra kana it is the improvements developments on the la yani bintu biri umuntu yoliria yetu na county council obolemo biri bitikalita iko na ba serikali na bera aligeli erolenga muntu na to akole nto otura moekende lakini nene naende is not a must kwalade telirasi mapatirende na bokuligere linga ki bintu muntu atemire nere oni material ni round muntu atemire na wenta akole nto akanu akonu the value ye property the development or improvements of the land again to kende ngeli nataka emphasize ngeli nga the project yemweza kuligere faida nero enene sana na enderende ngirorire ngaki account mari mari agaro kurigereria no isexara cia kwana bandu bwachika ti protocol taibo but I don't thinking ari modera what at least title ti protocol aje bandu bwata so again dongaringa maambia garba bi participation negocha serikali na beko ba tukubahereza tubatebinga the reason why to work and also the benefits which will accrue out of that project ngiro chinyinga sana regarding the other institutions on the land there is just serikali chicho chino kunya no kwana una police nerali chikanisa nchirali chinde chimeika nchire gali maria tatingo nya watu ni nyinga chirali no one CDR ro ya te akora gentoki ega faketi for yuntari ba akora bya sana lakini ya manero koranga
Tento ya aguate ikawa council yo ndo wa shida nene baada
so egeti yeko rukinye stadium na byabo Kasarani egeti naka nagira gachwa sana ukageta ko bole mabona. So now it's incumbent upon abantu bali bagari because it's a golden opportunity, a rare golden opportunity. So that moko legentoki moko palatine county government and also the other relevant agencies egeti ke kolegentokia egachwali patirende mambi the main purpose air participation nelinga nokokwa that's now is a constitution is a constitutional requirement we ka bantu bo ombe na think bunenga ki uri constitution so njege ndora abatebi cooperative with the county government muigwana kare muigwana ni e project ekore nto nane na abatebi nge project yakere wansa project yero maiteri gotena ne ba muigwana ni na ba example ya kwende kia pare konge 20 years ago e para diro tumeka lakini komesi ndege so igo kina kwana let us cooperate so tatorolenga a project they are very realized na ende time moto ko urugolemo it's for the benefit ya community